Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful bag strap. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. This bag strap looks so cute and beautiful and it is rigid. To do this beautiful bag strap, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain and single crochet. It is very easy to do and it is a beginner friendly project. So now let's see how to do this beautiful bag strap. Start with a slip knot. Do 2 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. Next we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. The loop which has the hook is the first chain. We'll skip that chain. You are going to work in the next chain. You are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. For next stitch, you will turn your work like this. So if you see here, this is the chain which we did. This is the V-like structure. Next, you're going to work in this loop. You can see a loop here. So in this loop, you're going to work. Insert the hook there. In this loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. So again you'll have 2 loops. Again you are going to do single crochet. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So for next stitch, you will turn your work. So if you turn your work, you can see a V-like structure here. V-like structure. So this is the single crochet which we did. Next, so you can see here 2 loops here. So we are going to work in these 2 loops. So insert the hook in these 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through that 2 loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow till the required size of the bag strap you want. So for next stitch, you have to turn your work like this. So if you see here, this is the single crochet which you did. This will be the loop. You are going to work inside this loop. So you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through that first loop. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next, turn your work. You're going to insert it in this loop here, in this loop. So insert the hook, this loop. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Again, you'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So it looks like this. You are going to continue them till the required size of the bag handle you want. After doing them till the required size, the bag handle looks like this. So last, you can do chain 1 and snip off the yarn. Bag handle looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.